Top Job Interview Secret 3. Ditch noise in interviews. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a top job interview secret that can make a big difference, which is ditching noise in your interview. What do we mean by noise? Is anything that distracts from clear, effective communication. It could be your tone of voice, body language, clothing, or even makeup. Basically, anything that takes the interviewer's attention away from what you're saying is noise. Let's look at some common examples. Imagine a candidate with slouched posture, speaking too softly, or dressed in flashy attire. These factors, either big or small, can create noise, taking focus off your skills and qualifications. To avoid noise, keep your body language open and confident. Sit up straight, make eye contact with everyone on the interview panel, and maintain a friendly, steady tone. Keep your appearance professional and avoid anything overly flashy or So remember, ditch the noise, amplify your message. For more tips, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep building your career together.